Hi, I'm Jason Antonio. I'm from Venus University International Batch 2019. So today I'm going to present you about my database for clothing store, which is about the uh, conceptual, logical, physical design and the normalization. So in the conceptual database design is the process of building a model of the essential part of the enterprise business process and the use information independent and all physical consideration. So as you can see, there are many relationships in this diagram. For example, in the account detail, so account detail, one account detail can have many order, so the one account can order many products. So for logical, the logical database design is the model of valuable information. It describes the information itself and the relationships between information. The kind of relationship is not limited because any limitation would affect the structure of information. And third, physical database design defines the way to implement the data storage. It is target dependent and complies with the storage technology, the instance of database, the architecture, and the implementation rules. So I'm going to talk about the normalization. So normalization consists of the unnormalized, first normalized form, second normalized form, and third normalized form. So for the unnormalized form, so there's many redundancy in here. So let's move on to first normalization. So the first normalization form is in the table order, as you can see. Is the first normalization form is a property of a relation in a relation database. A relation is in first normal form if and only if the domain and attribute contains only atomic value, and the value of each attribute contains only a simple value from that domain. So this is the example of my first normalization form. So let's move on to second normalization form. So the second normalization form is the norm, a table that is first normal form must meet the additional criteria if it is to qualify the second normal form. Especially, table is in two normal form if it is first normal form and no non-prime attribute is dependent on any proper subset of any candidate key of the table. So this is the example of my second normal form. So there are two tables, they are separated from my first normal form. So for the third normalization form is a normal form that is used in normalizing a database design to reduce the duplication of data and ensure referential integrity by ensuring that the entity is in second normal form and all the attributes in a table are determined only by the candidate keys. of the table and not by any non-prime attributes. So this is my customer table that I transformed from the first one to the customer ID. I created new table named customer detail. So this is and the address detail. So this is my Java application database project. So there are 6 options, which are insert, select, update, delete, search, and view. So let's try one by one. So first of all, I'm going to choose one, which the first feature. So you can insert the new data that you want to input. For example, you want to add a supplier list. So you insert the new one. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your supplier name and JSON. And the data has been inserted. So if you want to see whether it is in there or not, so let's try our second feature is number 2, to select to see, and number 3, and there. Okay, let's continue. So feature number 3, so this is the one you want to change your supplier ID or supplier name. You can change them in update. So update suppliers and then insert the latest that you already input. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the new supplier, for example 654321, and the new supplier name, how about Antonio, and there you go, the data has been updated. So you want to check it, let's try number 2, and there you go, it's already updated. So let's try another feature is delete. So in this feature you can delete your data that you have already input. For example, suppliers, the one they have inputted. Okay, and the data has been updated and deleted. So let's check it out. Suppliers and none. It's no longer in there. Okay, let's continue. So the fifth feature, so you can search certain data that you want. For example, shipment list. So you insert shipment ID to search from your database. For example, let's find the shipment ID. For example, this. I copy paste the ID. This. And there you go. The JNE and 18 February 2016. So the latest feature that I've made is to view the data. So to view the total stock in there, the total stock of your product. Okay, the total is 137. So that's all for my presentation for my application. Thank you.